Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Share with John here. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thumbs up. Thank you very much for always coming back and watching my video. Now, the sun is shining a lot. As you see me, I'm holding a towel here. I'm going to the beach. To the beach. Beach next week. Beach. Oh, in the beach too. Yeah, guys, we are going to the beach. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just waiting for not the people that we are going with them. They're just waiting us for on the other end. That's where we are going now. So we are heading and to enjoy ourselves at the beach party. And I'm having my friend here. Mambo vipi? He's a Tanzanian, but she speaks English. Say hi to my viewers. Rashma. Angalia watu gini. Guys, I'm sweating. Just wanna go there now. Yeah. Yes. So, guys, I'm gonna show you the beach. And on my front view, we have the swimming pool here. Yeah, and I see Anu there. Anu is the one who's going to teach me how to swim. So ningizie hapo ndani. Sije ikanipotelea kwa maji. Yes, the person going to teach us how to swim is here. Anu. What are we doing?
Nimemaliza, sina story. Yes, kind of. John make us Bella wants to go now.
Yeah? You are telling us what we are going to do. What are we going to do?
We are going to the beach.
Today?
To the beach.
Oh, sorry about that. Tunaanza beach.
Hapa tutakuja kuchill. Yo.
That's Nasri.
Yo.
Now he's showing his.
I'm showing what?
Now this is the time. You told us that you would show us.
Waka ifike.
Now we are here.
We are here.
Yeah. Now we are going to the beach. We're going out to swim and enjoy. I didn't carry my glasses.
These are John's.
My brother, what's your name?
This is Emmanuel.
Oh, Emmanuel. We met in the morning.
Yeah.
How do you?
How was your day?
My day is fine. I'm really loving this place.
Yeah, this place is so wonderful.
Yeah.
Everything here is so natural.
I'm seeing you're doing a good job cleaning the swimming pool. We'll come back for the swimming pool. Now we are going to the.
Okay. Hope to see you there.
Okay.
Have a nice enjoyment there at the beach.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel. Yeah, I think we're being called. Let me run. I'm really excited, guys. Please like, share, and comment as always. It seems like people are ready for the beach. Yes, sir.
Babu.
Which way? This way. Oh, this way. Which way are we going?
This side. Okay. Let's go this
Anu, why are you misleading us? This way. I think the guys are confused. Okay. Anu, my good friend. Going to have some fun at the beach. Now this is my third time at the beach, but I don't know how to swim.
So today we are teaching John how to swim.
Oh.
He's going to go out beyond the reef.
You know, I'm always swimming like this. Each and every time whenever I get myself into the pool or into the ocean. Now, but this is the time now.
that you do
Babu,
something.
this way. Oh, we're still going. I think the other way. Yeah.
Oh, us?
With me.
We are at Temple Point.
Yes.
Kidogo niseme Temple Run. Where's the Temple Point?
Do you know the story?
Oh no, look. They're ahead of us now.
I don't know. Told you, so outside. Get outside.
What's the story?
I don't know. Like I'm telling you.
We need to find out.
We need to find out before we go.
Yeah.
They say the reason the hotel is called
Temple Point.
because that temple. And they don't know
Temple.
their culture gang.
Now we are almost at the beach.
Almost. A little bit far.
Okay. Let me not emphasize on that.
But ilikuwa na
Look at this pool, guys. We are having so much fun here at Watamu. I hope you are enjoying, guys. Keep like, share, and comment, guys. We appreciate you guys for the support.
sikujua wanaweka dawa asubuhi.
Wanaweka asubuhi ama wanaweka usiku. Lakini bado inawasha.
Lakini funny thing, I said Asha, mimi ndo nimeasha.
Kuna matata.
Right. I think
Superstar. Our superstar. Woo! Tafadhali usinichekelee. Sijui kuogelea. I don't know how to swim, guys. As you see in Victor's videos, I almost drowned in the pool. Almost. Nilikunywa glass asubuhi. Hey, pale. Hey. Hey. Uko kwenye kuna pool? Naweza ogelea? I'm going to swim there. Yes. Guys, look how this place looks. It really looks beautiful, guys. Just have a look. Here we are, Watamu. We are doing our festival, and this is our day 2. Some people came early before us. Now this is our day 2, and tomorrow it will be the last day. So unfortunate, but we need to. Yeah. I think the water is clear now. Look at the beach. Hey, yepa. Yepa. I'm just really excited about this.
No, I'm going to go out in town. Because I want to buy the wrap.
Tar.
The Swahili.
Shuka.
Yeah.
Shuka. What's popping, my guy?
Dante!
Hey! Mambo vipi? See you there. Are you ready? This is my doing now. I'm used to this. Woohoo! We are here. Yeah. Guys. So guys, let me try and go back and see me how I'm doing. Let me know. This is my first time in the Indian Ocean. I see fella walking. I think that's not. So guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. about to drown. Kama ulikuwa about to drown. Sasa mimi je? Na wewe ndio ulikuwa mwalimu.
Ungekuwa sawa.
Kwa nilikuja hapa nikasema hapa. I'm not belong hapa. So ilibidi nirudi. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. I don't think if I'm going back to the water because back one fella they are still remaining on the water. Back on the other side, while fella is behind me, right? Yeah, there's fella. So 9 for today is I just had enough water for today because I need some morning and now the evening, so maybe I'll do it next time. So guys, I hope you have subscribed. I hope you enjoyed taking me along the beach. This is Watamu. We are still in Watamu and we're having a good time here. I can't complain. This place is really I don't know how I will explain it. Let me try and get into the water, but I don't know if these waves will carry me away. So I did have so much fun at Indian Ocean, guys. This is amazing, and I'm really loving this place. I don't know, I don't even want to go back to Nairobi. Not because of work, I need to, because next week we are having a project that we are going to do in Kisii and Nyamira and western part of Kenya. So we have to go, but today is the second day for me and tomorrow is the last day. So guys, hope you have subscribed, like, share and comment. I'm really excited to be here in town and I don't want to go back there until I see you in the next video. Good. Let me show you the ocean. Look at the waves. Yeah, that's how the ocean is. I want to try and go back to the water before I end this video, but I'm worried about my phone, so I need to hold it tight. This is kind of, I'm risking it. I need to hold it tight, guys. Yes. I'm having so much fun here, and I can't complain. This is very, very nice. Really enjoying this. I think there are some dancers there. I don't know if I can join them. Let me see if I can join them. Yeah. Guys, until I see you in the next video, guys, like, share. Woo! Like, share and comment, subscribe. This is our, it is our time. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Yes guys, peace, bingos.